You're looking at a 2021 Hyundai Kona Limited EV with 40,000 miles, all electric. Comes loaded up. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels. DC fast charging. Gets 258 miles at 100% charge. I think I already said this, but blind spot monitors, keyless entry, VIN numbers right here, heated leather seats, full power options, moonroof. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, smart system, automatic transmission obviously, heated seats, adjustable drive modes, climate control with air conditioning, backup camera. Bluetooth obviously, cruise control. Exact mileage is 42,677. Blind spot monitors. Moonroof. Car's in like new condition. Rear seats are foldable. They fold down. Absolutely no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301.